So today we're going to Epcot and we are going to ride Test Track and Soaring, and we're going to eat around the world, and it's going to be a really good day. Are you ready to ride Test Track for the first time?
Yeah, I'm so nervous.
You're feeling right across the floor, and I'm already losing my mind. Baby girl, looking fine.
How was your first time on Test Track?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Watch you playing and playing and
Breann, MC, are you guys ready to start drinking Coca-Cola from around the world?
Yes.
Let's go.
Kiwi mango.
Kiwi mango?
Yeah.
Try it.
Kiwi mango. What's it taste like? Mango.
Is it good?
It is actually pretty good.
Japan's Vegetabeta. It has like no taste.
First instinct was bad.
First instinct was like bad. But like it tastes like nothing. It's just like a little and then like so. Note to self, stick to Coca-Cola from America.
playing these guys. Catch my stare, little smile.
So we just got off Soaring, and now we're going to go start eating around the world, and we're starting off in Mexico.
Oh, tell me that you're ready and you're feeling the vibe. Someday I'll be so dead.
Tastes like very sweet carbonated apple juice. Yeah, it tastes like a soda apple juice.
I'm sublime. Will arrive behind the hashtag sign. I want.
Yeah, it's coconut.
You gotta wipe the coconut off first. I love coconut. It's really chocolatey.
Don't forget you, but I may forget your name. My lady, I know what you're thinking when the bass stops.
Really good. Those are really good.
Spring, can you tell me when you're stoked to start? Are you ready for tonight? Setting it on fire, and we'll dance until we're dumb in the dark. My lady, I know what you're thinking when the bass starts ringing. Can you tell me when you're stoked to start? Are you ready for tonight? Setting it on fire, and we'll dance until we're dumb in the dark.
For your first ever gelato? Better than ice cream? Okay, ready, MC?
Yes. I was born ready. I'm sorry.
So good. Okay, and then
Okay.
ready for your first ever sushi experience?
Oh yeah, this is sushi, right?
Yes, Breann.
California roll.
It's sushi.
Well, there it goes.
That's called wasabi? It's also spicy.
We tricked Breann into eating wasabi.
Break me down, dirty jokes. Watch me deep and say what you want to know. Beauty lies within the eyes of the beholder. I'll be holding you close all night. I won't forget you, but I may forget your name. My lady, I know what you're thinking when the bass starts ringing. Can you tell me when you're stoked to start? Are you ready for tonight? Setting it on fire and we'll dance until we're dumb in the dark. My lady, I know what you're thinking when the bass starts ringing. Can you tell me when you're stoked to start? Are you ready for tonight? Setting it on fire and we'll dance until we're dumb in the dark. Are you ready?
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Successfully ate around the world, 11 countries, 1 day, 4 hours, and I feel like death is upon me. How do you feel? Do you want to drink water?
Diabetes.
Breann.
Tired. Throwing up. Code V. Stay tuned. Or not.
It's been a good day.
Break me down. Break me down. I'm ready. Break me down. Break me down. I'm ready. Break me down. Break me down. I'm ready. Break me down. I won't forget you, but I may forget your name.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
We have officially ended our day at Epcot. We've eaten at 11 different restaurants, ate at every country. Rode Test Track, did Soarin', saw Jesse at work and saw Illuminations. And our day is over. And so now it's back to the real world. My days off are over and I work tomorrow at 8:45. So I hung out with MC and Breann and it was a good day. And see y'all real soon.